Outrabanda Hotel and Casino is designed especially to offer our guests the most comfort during their stay on our island. We cordially invite you to take a stroll through our hotel to show you all of our facilities, which makes our hotel your home sweet home away from home. We are most favorably located in the center of Outrabanda to meet your every need, along with a beautiful view of our city. Upon entering our hotel, you will find a very cozy atmosphere on our Awasat Terrace, or if you prefer, our bar on the first floor is waiting to offer you a large variety of tropical cocktails with a marvelous ambience where Saturday night blends into Sunday morning, accompanied by a variety of live music. Our reputation is based on the excellence of our international cuisine, which has such a good taste. Of course, you should not miss the atmosphere of our Las Vegas-type casino. All this combined with excellent service will make us your first choice when visiting Curaçao. Outrabanda Hotel and Casino, your place in the Caribbean.